overseeing the contracts and maintenance of elevators and escalators can be a full-time job. At AuditMate, our focus is on keeping you and your tenants moving while making sure you're getting what you're paying for. Here are 3 key mistakes to avoid when managing your vertical transportation systems. Number 1. Don't assume you are receiving all of the preventative maintenance outlined in your contract. Track vendors' visits to make sure they're abiding by the contract. This will give you documentation in case expensive repairs may have been prevented by the regular service calls outlined in the contract. It gives you a clear picture of the quality of service you're receiving, and it ensures all testing and inspections are up to date. Number 2. Don't assume that all invoices are correct. AuditMate's extensive auditing software ensures that charges are correct and you aren't being billed for excessive hours or items already included in your contract. And number 3, don't assume every repair or upgrade proposal is legitimate. Always consult your contract and repair coverage, and only spend money when you need to. At AuditMate, our mission is to empower you with data-driven auditing products that simplify your vendor management. We speak elevator, but we work for you. Contact us today to learn more.